This is a 2007 W211. I got a P0306 code, which is it's a Misfire. It's number 6, and I'll show you how to get to the number 6 and which one is that specifically, and how to replace the ignition coil that's misfiring. So first of all, you gotta take this off. Okay, set it aside. Gotta take this one off. We gotta take this hose, and then this hose off in order to get access to what we need to. Also, before taking all this part out, don't forget about the little clip. We have to just push it back and then lift the whole thing up. So the P0306, the number 6 that's misfiring, it's that one, the very last one on driver's side. So they go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and that one I have to replace. It's pretty much two T30 screws, if I'm not wrong, and just a little clip over there. So get your screws on and just take the clip out and put in a new one. Here, as you can see, it's 2 T30 screws, one over here and one over there. Also, there is a clip here. Make sure you disconnect this, take the screws out, and then replace it with the new one. I got it right here. Here is the old one, already taken off, and the new one, it's right there, already installed. Removing this might be a little tricky with a little ear here. So what you have to do is kind of push that one back, and then maybe use a flathead to just push that thing out, Other than that, that's it. Maybe it's not the best quality of the video, but if this video helped anyone, I'm glad it did.